Yeah, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back, all my fans, all my subscribers. As you all know, I still remain my humble self, Crown Forex Tips. We come here every week. We give you guys an insight of possible currency pairs that you should be watching out for every week. I've been away for a while. To be honest, I've been away for a while. The reason is just because I've been into one or two things, and now that I see that I've accomplished that goal, so I think it's necessary for me to come back to you, my fans, and give you those currency pairs that you should be watching out for, as we always do. Thank you all my subscribers, my fans, and for you that are just watching me for the first time or seeing my video for the first time, just sit back at the end of the day. I can guarantee you that you learn and you also make profit if you follow the guidelines. So at the end of this video, if you found this video worthy, just subscribe, right? Just go to subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video like this, you can also benefit like other people are benefiting already. So without wasting much of our time, let's quickly go into the chart right away. So as you can see, let's look at we have here USD card. So let's look at it from the high time frame. You all know that the way I trade is I look at it from the high time frame to the lower time frame. I analyze on the high time frame. I do my technical analysis on the high time frame, and also I take my entry on the lower time frame. It depends. I can take it on 1 hour, and sometimes I take it on 15 minutes. So just watch back and then see the magic, right? So this USD card, let's go to 4 hours. Let's see what's happening on the 4 hour time frame, right? Let's see what's happening on the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, I can actually see that this market is an uptrend already, right? I can see that this market is actually an uptrend, right? I can see that this market is actually an uptrend, right? It's actually an uptrend on the 4 hours time frame. An uptrend on the 4 hours time frame. That's one confirmation, right? So the second confirmation is this structure, right? You can see a W pattern here. You can see a W pattern, and then the market has started pushing up, right? So that's second confirmation. That second confirmation to show that it's still an uptrend. It's still an uptrend, right? Don't let this, right? Don't let this give you an headache or start thinking that, oh, the market is still a downtrend. Although let me share something with you. If you plot your trend line, right? If you plot your trend line either from this, just make sure that the trend line touches two or more swing point, right? So if you plot your trend line, you can see that the market has already broken this trend line, right? You can see that the market has already broken this trend line, right? So the market is still an uptrend. So let's go to so let me just take this out. Let me take this drawing out. That one is just for you to know that we are still in an uptrend. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what the market is saying, right? Let's see what the market is saying. Let's see what the market is saying. From here, you can see that it's still creating an higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So let's see. So let's say, for example, you can see that this market created a structure here, right? The market created higher high, higher low, created another higher high. The market has come back to retest this zone, right? The market came back to retest this zone. So basically, this coming week, I'll be looking for a buy position. So what I'll be waiting for is for the market to come back to give me a market structure. That's my W pattern, right? I'll be expecting the market to come back and give me a W pattern, something like this. So I want the market to clear all this liquidity right here. I want the market to clear all this liquidity around here, before I take any trade, right? And I'll be watching out for a buy position. Right? Let's go to the next currency pair. Let's see on the high time frame. Let's see what the market is saying on the high time frame, right? So you can see that the market is actually a downtrend, right? The market is actually a downtrend, right? You can see that the market is actually a downtrend, the high time frame, right? So the market is actually a downtrend. You can see that the market is actually a downtrend. So what I'll be watching on the high time frame. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see. You can see that the market is already creating a structure on the lower time frame, right? The market is already creating a structure on the lower time frame. Once again, you can see that something is happening here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? So don't be confused, right? Don't be confused, right? The overall trend is still a downtrend, right? The overall trend is still a downtrend, right? And you can see that for a reversal to happen, right? For a reversal to happen, either in a continuation or at the end of the trend, right? Something must happen. A structure must be created. You can see that we are already in a downtrend, and a structure has already created itself, right? A structure has already created itself. This already is structure, right? This already is structure. So what I'll be watching out for is for this market to clear all this liquidity around here before I enter my trade, right? Before I enter my trade, once all this liquidity are cleared, the next thing I'll be watching out for is my candlestick confirmation, my possible buy and possible sell candlestick. So in this case, I'll be watching out for my possible sell, right? So if you want to understand the possible buy and then the possible sell I'm talking about based on the candlestick, just give a comment just leave a comment in the comment section. Then I will do a video on how you can easily identify a candlestick possible buy or a candlestick possible sell, right? So once all this liquidity is cleared, I'll wait for my possible sell candlestick, right? I'll wait for my possible sell candlestick. So once I'm able to see that, I'm going to take this a short position from here. So my stop loss will be somewhere around higher here, right? I'll take 1:2 as my first profit, 1:2 here as my first profit, and then here as my second take profit. So that's what I'll be watching out for Euro GBP. I say thank you all. Let's go there and crash the market next week. Let's make more money. Let's secure more bag. Thank you all. See you guys next week. Bye.